Trigger warning, if you're a sensitive viewer, please watch this video with caution. So meet Denise Hutton, once a Kempton Park hairdresser, now standing in court for the murder of her boyfriend, Marcus Greef. So back in May 2024, which was last year, Marcus was only 30 years old when his life came to a brutal end at a property in Pomona. The very next day, Denise was arrested, but the case dragged on for months, postponed again and again. Finally, today, October 1st, 2025, inside the Kempton Park Regional Court, Denise Hutton stood up and pleaded guilty to murder. In her words, her own plea, she admitted it herself. She tied Marcus's hands and feet with an electrical cable, placed a plastic bag over his mouth, and she knew those actions would end his life. The cause of death, strangulation, pressure to the neck. No justification, no excuse. So today's plea is just a huge moment in this case, but it's not over yet. Sentencing comes next. The court has postponed proceedings to the 4th of November 2025 to prepare a pre-sentencing report. That's when we'll finally learn about her punishment. What will it be? For Marcus's family, justice has been slow, but today at least they finally heard the word guilty. And I know when it comes to women, people will ask, Guti, he's a man, couldn't he defend himself? Can we stop with that? Because a family has lost a son here, an uncle, a cousin, and this back and forth about why the person was unalived, what do they do? Guys, it's not taking us anywhere. No one deserves to be unalived by anyone for whatever reason. So with that being said, good night. I will see you on the next one. God bless you. Ciao.